Did you ever end up in a meeting where you had the feeling that the person running it didn't exactly know what they were doing? Looking for pens or paper or post-its or trying to figure out where to put the findings that they had, and everything seemed a little bit improvised? Well, I have a sneak peek for you on what material do you need for a design sprint in order to make sure that you can run the sprint successfully. So what are the things to consider? First and foremost, make sure that you got yourself a space that actually supports creativity. That doesn't work if people sit at their own desk in an office. They need some space in order to be able to unwind, lean back, and come up with really new ideas. Second thing that you need is a big space to write things on. Ideally, it's a whiteboard. The bigger, the better. In order to be able to write something on a big space, you need to have the right pens to do it. And there are huge differences. So think about checking out the pens that you're going to use. Whiteboard pens, whiteboard markers, obviously non-permanent ones. And if I were you, I would actually smell them. And I know it sounds weird, but some of them can cause headache. So check out the pens before you use them. And lastly, make sure that apart from the actual room, a big space to write on, the right pens, that you have supporting material that you might need. And that means any kind of music equipment, if you want to play music, any kind of equipment to show your slides with, if you want to show slides, basics to be honest. But if you prepare your design sprint for the first time, you frequently get very, very stressed out and you forget the basics. So think about the basics. If you want to know more about what to think about, check out our video on what to prepare for a design sprint.